Hey guys, it's Vince. Today in this video we are checking out MotoFab Performance YouTube channel. It's got 720 views on this particular video and 42 likes. And he's got 3,500 subs. The gentleman who owns this channel is named Grant. And Grant contacted me a couple months back because unfortunately he purchased plans for a plasma system from one of the people I've done a video on. Him and I spoke, scheduled a consultation, and he was adamant about correcting the plans that he had purchased, and unfortunately this led him to producing this video. I want you all to see this because unlike most of my videos, now you get to hear from one of the people that were burned, and not only burned but did the corrective action to get a table of the quality you see here, and I feel there's a lot to learn here. Let's jump right in.
If you still want to build one for your business, or just want to build a plasma table as a hobby, and you've got the budget and the time, then this video is for you. The main issue that I had with this process was at square one. I started with plans that I found on YouTube from someone that I won't name, and they turned out to be complete junk. You can check out my previous plasma table video for more specifics on what was wrong with them. It didn't take me very long to fix the problems with the designs I purchased, which draws attention to how little effort was put into creating them. After these clips are finished playing, I've got a little bit of a message for the person who created the plans if they're watching.
Think about what he's talking about before you guys go and spend your hard-earned money on these plans. He unfortunately got burned. You don't have to. That's the whole purpose of my channel and the purpose of him making videos like this, and other people. We've seen other people in the past do it too. I mean, Go Green Guy, that's another YouTube channel that was dealing with JD's garage and him going back and rebuilding everything that he had to make his table stable. These are real people, guys. Be careful.
It only took me a few hours to fix the problems that you ignored. And since you created the plans, it probably would have taken you even less time. If you had put that little bit more effort into what you're putting out, not only would you have the satisfaction of putting out a good product, but I guarantee you that people would have continued to buy this product over time instead of what's happening now where everyone starts to find out that it's not good and stops buying it.
Think about what he said. It's really sad that these guys can't figure out a business model with ethics to where they think about how it affects people if the engineering is not there when you purchase it. You make people waste money, you make people waste time. That's not going to get you very far.
To mention, I wouldn't be making this video telling people not to buy it. I would probably be telling them that they should buy it because I had a good experience with it. This is the kind of thing that happens when you're more concerned with making a quick buck than you are with providing genuine value to the people who quite literally support your entire career.
Think about what he just said.
With that being said, I'm going to share with you the changes that I've made, including DXF files and instructions for the improved designs. And I will share all of this with you completely for free. I'm doing this to help you guys so that you don't have to go through the struggle that I did. Or if you've already purchased these same plans, you have a better solution that will work with some parts that you may have already purchased.
So think about that. He's going to share with you DXF files that he had to correct because the plans he purchased didn't even have correct DXF files. You can go back, go through his channel, look at his videos. The kid can definitely fabricate. He is an excellent welder. He's starting a welding school on his channel. I highly recommend you check it out. But overall, think about all these people that leave negative comments on my channel when I do a video. I want them to look at a video like this, look at Go Green Guy. Are these people all making this up? Or are they literally coming forward and letting others know, hey, be careful. Don't make my mistake. It cost me and it's going to cost you if you're not careful. How do they leave negative comments if they're real?
I'll share with you later on in the video where you can access this information. But first, let's get to assembling the new gantry design. Here's the first side of the gantry, all tacked up. Now, I'm going to tack up the other side while I tell you a bit more about it. This modified design fixes problems that I had, like the DXF files I purchased being poorly designed, which caused quite a few issues, including positioning the gantry beam too low to the table, where it could hang up on cutoffs that tip up as they're cut.
Now see, Grant is gifted that he can do this. What if you can't? What if you bought in good faith these plans and you were having these parts made by a fabricator because you bought the plans and you were going to just outsource that, and then you find out that you have the parts made and the guy that's working with the DXF files then tells you, well, I made them to your plans and they're not right, and something doesn't match, something doesn't bolt up, you're doing it again, right?
I also added into my design pre-threaded holes, which will save you time and money on broken taps. Ask me how I know. Once the left and the right pieces are completed, they get welded onto a gantry beam, and you're ready to move on to assembling the mechanical parts of the gantry. So here's how this works. I've created a free course inside of my free school community centered around fabrication, which I will link in the description down below. There, you will find a course titled CNC Plasma Table under the Classroom tab, which will contain a written list of parts, a link to a private YouTube video for more in-depth instructions, and a link to the Send Cut Send marketplace where you can simply press order and they will send you all the parts for the gantry that
A lot of work has been done if you think about it. I mean, to do all that and give you free access, I mean, he's obviously wanting you to succeed.
you saw me assemble in this video. I want to be completely clear. You do of course have to pay for the parts that it takes to build this table. What I'm offering to you guys for free is the plans and the information on what you need to do that. I don't make any money off of the parts that are linked in the school course. The only thing that I do make a small percentage off of is the Everlast Welders affiliate link that I have, which you can find down in the description of this video, as well as in the school course. I would really appreciate you guys supporting the channel in this way if you do need a plasma cutter or a welder.
Now see, he's being honest and letting you know he's an affiliate. That's great. Many of the content creators will let you know they're an affiliate. What they don't understand is the knowledge behind what they're an affiliate of. Many of you have asked me about that. Why do you have a problem with somebody selling? You're selling. I am. The difference is I support what I sell. When you're an affiliate, you have no support, so your knowledge base has to be where it needs to be to sell a component that requires aftermarket support.
If you don't use my link, a piece of equipment like this from Everlast is a no-brainer. They're far more affordable than any other plasma cutter I've seen on the market, and so far this Power Plasma 62i has been absolutely flawless. The CNC package, of course, includes a machine torch. It also comes with this universal plug to wire to your electronic system that plugs right into the back of the plasma cutter. One of my favorite features on this Power Plasma 62i is the air pressure light, which tells you when you're right in the right spot, if you're too low or if you're too high. Another resource that I highly recommend using is the person who built my electronics package. Vince is an expert with years of experience, and although it isn't the cheapest option, I owe a lot of my success with this plasma table to Vince's product. Once again,
and I do appreciate that in all of you who support me. That's why I'm telling you, you need to pay very close attention to how you spend your money. Plans are not just plans when you have to understand the engineering around the plans and how the aftermarket support is required to make sure that every plasma system behaves the same. That's where these guys misinterpret reality. Just because your axis move doesn't mean everyone else's robot is going to be stable. They have to be tested. And the only way they can be tested rationally is if either that guy flies out to you and tests the system, or it's built impeccably where best practices follow throughout, so we make sure that there's no inherent built-in instability. That is engineering in a nutshell.
Again, I get no kickbacks from Vince or his product if you purchase it. It's really just that good. He has really nailed down a system that is simple, reliable, and effective in operating a CNC machine. My electronics package came with everything I needed, including detailed instructions, and operated flawlessly right off the bat. Having one less thing to troubleshoot on its own made this worth the money.
Hey guys, jump over to eDealers Direct Automation and check out my eBay store for the components used to make what you see in this video, as well as many others that you may not even realize you need. Of course, I'm always there if you have questions. Message me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, I do custom engineering as well as consultations. Thank you for watching this video and your support. Take care.
I have listed.
The other thing to be very clear about, he's using an Ethernet controller. So if everyone has a question about what controller we're working with, the G540 and Ethernet combination, and again, the stability factor is done. Like he said, troubleshooting is non-existent. Why? Because everything has been covered correctly.
Vince's email in the course in my school community. I highly recommend reaching out to him and letting him know that I sent you. Another awesome feature of joining my school community is that there will be a dedicated category for the CNC plasma table build where you can post your progress and ask questions to other people, including myself, who may be building a very similar plasma table. Not to mention, once you're done with your DIY CNC plasma table, you can remain in the group to share your other projects and your fabrication journey with other fabricators. If you think you may want...
Boy, that sounds fair, don't it? All of a sudden, things, when it's done right, it doesn't sound crazy. It doesn't sound like, he's just marketing and marketing and marketing. He should make some money, and he should also grow his community. And he's doing it openly and fairly by being honest with his audience. To me, that's the way it should be done. Remember that old saying, treat others the way you expect to be treated? It really works.
To build your own DIY CNC plasma table, but you're still not sure, please join the school community from the link in the description. Take a look at the plans and contact me with any questions or concerns before you commit to purchasing any parts for something that you're not sure is right for you.
Wow. Wow, did you hear that? Whoa, holy shit. That sounded totally legit, right? He's not telling you to go out and piss away your money. Hey, you need to buy this. Hey, we've got this new release. No, all of a sudden he's saying it truthfully. Reach out, talk to me. If I can help, I'll help. I'll put you on the right guideline and go from there. Sounds logical.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that I see you around the channel. And if you're interested in learning more about what's involved in building a DIY CNC plasma table, check out one of these videos that I made.
You guys need to check out his channel if you really are serious about getting involved with building a plasma system. And like Grant said, this is not a cheap endeavor. He's right here. I mean, the video's title, How Not to Waste $8,000. I think that says enough. But I will say this, and I want to be very clear about this. What you see with Grant's table right there, do not underestimate its power. And what I mean to say is, when they're built correctly, they're way more than the general amount you spend. And Grant, I'm sure, realizes that. And what I mean to say is, what are you making with that table? Grant's an excellent fabricator. He's dealing with automotive components. And when you think about that, you have to think, how is this table going to benefit me, my business, my well-being? And when you factor in what you're able to make, and of course he has a larger chassis, that changes a lot. I mean, just the fact, like he said, the electronics are stable, he's able to cut, he can make whatever he needs to make. Client walks in, hey, I want this piece, he has no worries. Load the file, check the file, I'm good. You have to think about peace of mind. And you have to think about working with people that are transparent. There's something to be said about that, and unfortunately we don't see enough of it. So again, I hope you check out Grant's channel. I want to thank him again. I want to thank him for coming forward and doing a video like this, because many guys won't do it. They get burned and they're afraid to come forward and let people know what the truth is. Now you've heard it, and I hope you guys have all learned something.